Hi, this is Queen from AEvent Support. In this video, I'll be showing you how to integrate your Drip account to your AEvent account and the on-registration options available once it's successfully integrated. So to start, once logged into your AEvent account from the dashboard, kindly access the integrations page. From there, click on the Add Integration button from the upper right-hand side. Let's look for Drip by typing it in. And then click on the drop down arrow, click on add integration. From here, you can label it any name you want, but we highly suggest that you label it accordingly so it becomes identifiable in case you have to add another Drip account in the future. Once you're satisfied, just click on connect and you will be prompted for your Drip account's email address and password, so make sure that you have those handy. Once you've entered those information, just click on continue and you will be prompted to authorize AEvent. So just click on authorize. All right, so let's just wait for it to be successful. All right, we have successfully integrated it. Now that is done, we have to test the connection next. So look for Drip and then click on test. And as you can see, the connection between Drip and AEvent is successful. Now that we have successfully integrated your Drip account to AEvent, we will proceed to showing you on the on registration options available for Drip. So from here, you just have to open your timeline. And once that is open, just navigate to the integration section and look for Drip. So as you can see here, it's currently not active because we just added it. So you just have to toggle the switch to activate it. And the gear icon for the integration settings page becomes available. So let's click on that. All right. So from the integration settings page, you can see here that these are the options available upon registration. So you can either add a campaign upon registration, add a workflow, or add tag. So let's select campaign and then look for the campaign that you want a registrant to be added to. All right, and then click on update settings. Or you can opt to add a registrant to a workflow. Just select the workflow you want the registrant added to upon registration, then click on update settings at the bottom. The same thing for adding tag. So if you want to add a tag to a registrant upon registration, select that one and select the tag you want added, and then click on update settings at the bottom. So that's all for this video. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, leave a comment below, give us a thumbs up, and subscribe to our channel so you'll get notified of additional videos we'll be uploading in the future. Thank you for watching.